Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a lip swatch and review video. Today I'm testing out the Collection Lip Spa lip oils and I only have 2 shades to swatch, but I wanted to do a video to test them out to see if they are any good because these are very affordable. These are $2.99 and I have a lot of lip oils. I have Colourpop, L'Oreal, NYX, just to name a few, and they are like high quality, high standard, and those ones are like 3, maybe even 4 times the price of these. So I just wanted to do a video on them just to see if they are actually any good. There are only 3 shades. There is a clear shade as well, but it's a plumping shade, so I didn't want to get that. So obviously I just have the red and the pink shade, but I think they're going to be pretty much clear. So the pink one is called Pink Blush, and it says it has argan oil and a mint scent. And the red one is called Red Glow, and it also says it has argan oil and a mint scent. It says on the back, get a glossy high shine finish with natural oil to hydrate and nourish your lips, and it's vegan suitable. So yeah, let's just try them on. So I'm going to use the pink one first. Okay, so the applicator is like a doe foot applicator. This pretty much looks like it's going to be clear. Ooh, very strong scent of mint. Almost off-putting. Okay, love the gloss, love the lip oil. It looks really pretty on my lips. It's just a natural, clear, everyday gloss. However, I can't get past the smell of mint. Now, I'm not a huge fan of the smell of mint anyway, but it is very overpowering and it's actually tingling a little bit on my lips, the mint. So I don't know whether this is all in my head, but I do actually feel like I can taste mint, which is quite nice. I quite like the taste of the mint. But I'm just not so keen on the smell. And there's a slight tingling on my lips, which I'm okay with. It's not overpowering, but I just wanted to make you aware of that. But I love the colour on this gloss. This is so pretty. Just a natural clear gloss, basically. And it's not sticky as well. It's really like hydrating and nourishing. And then going in with the red one. Oh, now this looks like it's going to have quite a bit more colour to it. Okay, immediately, I love this one. It has quite a nice, decent amount of colour and pigment to it. I actually really like it. The only thing that I don't like about it is obviously the smell of the mint. It's not that I don't like it, I just think it's a bit strong. And it's slightly tingling on your lips, which is okay, but I just wanted to let you know. But I really like the colour on this. What a nice gloss. Well, lip oil. It has that slight red tint to it, but it's not overpowering and it's really natural and wearable and everyday, and it's super hydrating. So yeah, I really, really like this one. So I think this one's definitely my favourite out of the 2. But yeah, I really like the both of them actually. So my opinion, because they are only $2.99, definitely I would recommend getting them. However, if they were more expensive, I wouldn't be so thrilled about them, because I do think like the NYX glosses, the L'Oreal glosses, the Colourpop lip oils are just slightly better quality. They feel slightly better. I feel like this isn't gonna last as long, and this tingling mint sensation is just a little bit strange for me. But it was only $2.99, so it was definitely, you know, it's definitely worth that price point. Would I recommend? Yes, I would recommend trying them out. There's no harm in trying them out. But if you do have like a strong aversion to mint, maybe don't. I don't have a strong aversion to mint, but it is quite overpowering, I'm not gonna lie. It's very strong smelling and it is tingling on my lips. So I'm not sure how I feel about it. But again, they were only $2.99, so it doesn't really bother me that much. And overall, I do like the product. So yeah, I would recommend these if you haven't tried them, if you are looking for a more affordable option. However, I don't think they compare to the better options such as NYX, Colourpop, L'Oreal, for example. So that's just my opinion. So yeah, that completes this video. This was my review of the Collection Lip Spa lip oils. I hope you liked this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!